Hi, Noelle here, showing you my CMS assessment 2.0. So for the assessment here, as you can see, it's short answer, and I did add one other word problem here at the bottom. Gave them the option for recording the answers. So how it aligns to rubric 4.0. Open-ended questions are really hard to do with math because it's right or wrong, but I tried to give them short answer questions. This would be better done with a performance task, but I gave them that and the word problem at the end, which shows their problem solving. Feedback is really easily given when I go to the results page. I can give them a score, and when I give them their score, I can leave a comment to say, great job, or whatever I want to say in there for them to use that. The timing of this assessment, this is given in the middle of instruction. So it is given at the end of lesson 9. It's supposed to assess lesson 7 through 9 on their fluency of their 2, 5s, 9s, and 10s. And so this is really good to inform instruction. Transfer of knowledge, this is better done as well with the performance task, but I did try to create a word problem that'll allow them to kind of transfer it and give them a situation that they might deal with every day. As far as self-assessment, once they are done with their test, once they've started it, it gives them an option to review their answers and check to see, are these the answers? This is exactly what they wanted to do. Informing instruction, because in the middle of instruction, I really use this to inform my instruction. I pull small groups based on how students did on the tests, and we teach them using manipulatives or other assignments. Because the goal is for mastery and not that they can complete a worksheet or an assignment. They are aligned to the Common Core standards, and I have them linked right at the top when you originally look at the assessment. They're linked for parents and students to see. And it's flexible and fixed because students can record their answers and their short answer questions. They can self-monitor their learning goals based on the end by their quick feedback that they're given. And it's part of a positive learning culture because, the timing is for them to be able to really learn from the mistakes that they've made in their problems. And I can pull small groups to inform instruction so that they're able to learn and move forward with that. This is a really great assessment that I use with Schoology. Schoology allows me to have them work at their own pace. So I'll take this assessment as they complete lesson 9, which is at each individual pace of the students, and I'm able to give them feedback that can inform their instruction.